Oh, so you're an artist? Yeah. Are you good at it?
Duh. Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So jumping straight in, it is actually Monday the 13th of June today. It's currently 4 p.m. in the afternoon. I really haven't done much today. I couldn't sleep very well again last night, so I only had a few hours last night. So I've been on and off like napping today and editing, just doing a few things around the house and stuff. I put off filming and doing some other stuff until tomorrow, just so that I'm actually like functioning and not dead tired. I'm gonna take extra meds tonight to try and sleep.
Ooh, so you wanna talk about power? Ooh, let me show you power. I eat boys like you for breakfast.
Hey guys, quick check-in. It is Tuesday today. It is the 14th of June. It's currently 6 p.m. in the evening. I didn't sleep again last night, so I did sleep for a few hours this morning. Evie, settle. She wants to lick my makeup off. So yeah, I didn't sleep until this morning. So this afternoon I've just been like filming and editing. I did my very first paid work today, so now I've got to send it off to them and get it approved. I'm super excited about it. Yeah, I'm really excited about it. I do have some other work coming up this week as well, but they were gifted products, not paid. So yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see the videos and I hope you enjoy them. But I thought I'd do a quick check-in before I take the makeup off so I don't look homeless for once. I think this is the bisexual look. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. I can't remember which one I did. I think it's the bisexual look. So yeah, I think it's really cute, really easy, and really pretty as well. Just having cuddles with Evie whilst we were doing a little bit of editing. I just needed to make sure that I had filmed everything before I take off my makeup and everything, so then I don't look different. But yeah, now it's all up to them whether they approve it or not. Wish me luck.
She was like, oh my god, I could never wear that. And I was like, let me show you how to.
Abracadabra, these bitches know I got answers the way I post.
Do I drink coffee? Do I drink coffee? No, I don't drink coffee. Coffee flows through my veins.
Hi guys, welcome to Thursday. It is the 16th of June today. It's currently at 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm on my way to my grandparents. I'm going to visit them for a few hours today. And I'm also picking up Bobby's ashes. So it is quite an emotional day today. I have all the fur kids with us. That's who you can hear whining. Yeah, they're going to come and visit my grandparents with me. Hopefully I can get some more understanding of what's going on with my granddad, and if there's been any progress or anything. So I'll update you guys when I know more. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. This morning I actually had my chiropractic assessment, so I've now officially had 12 adjustments, and they took some photos and everything again today to compare it to the photos from grown taller, but I look taller because I was so hunched over. And I'm not like all like leaning forward like this anymore. I'm now like standing up like straight. So it's been massive amount of progress. I think I have had probably about 30 to 40% relief on my like neck and stuff from this chiro. So I highly recommend it. Yeah, it's absolutely amazing. Like the difference in my sleep, the difference that I can like breathe and stuff. It's just crazy that nobody ever mentioned, is there something wrong with your spine? So yeah, I'm feeling a lot more hopeful. I have taken a little break from looking for a new surgeon for my endo. It's a little bit overwhelming at the moment with everything going on with losing Bobby, my granddad being sick. You know, everything just has become a little bit too much, so I just needed to take a step back and just take a moment. It's not a race. Like, I need to take it slowly and at my own pace, that I'm comfortable with, so I don't stress myself out and so I don't make myself sicker or anything like that. So yeah, I'm really happy with the chiro though. Like, his work has been magnificent. I'm really happy with it. So I'm gonna keep going. So I will have another 12 sessions, and then we will have a look at how I'm going after that again. So we'll have an assessment probably every 12 adjustments, which is about every 6 weeks, because I have 2 adjustments a week at the moment because I'm doing the intensive plan. Now, because of how bad I actually am and all of my health issues, it can take about 18, even up to 24 months to get me back to a stage of then just like maintaining after that. So I think the biggest improvement is probably going to be this first 12 weeks, and then the rest is probably going to be slow from this.
And tonight had something wonderful. My bad habits lead to late nights, sitting alone, conversations with a stranger I barely know.
I'm freezing. It's so cold. It's so cold this morning. But welcome to Saturday, 18th of June. It's currently like 7:30 in the morning, and it's bloody cold. I'm freezing. Just turned my heater on, so hopefully you guys can't hear that. But I thought I would jump on and update you guys. I didn't update you guys yesterday because I was an emotional wreck. I had to rush Oliver into the vets yesterday, to the emergency vets. He was not himself. He was shaking so badly. He was vomiting and he had diarrhea. His heart rate was elevated. His temp was okay, but starting to get on the high end. He wouldn't eat, he wouldn't drink, and like I know how to like check for dehydration and stuff like that. We've got enough dogs and been through enough, and the vet's shown me, you know, like the basic things to like tell whether it's an emergency or not. And his gums started going like a light pink, so that's like, you know, if it got any lighter then it would be dehydration as well. So I raced him into the vets, the emergency vets just nearby, and they said I got him there in perfect timing. They took him in, and they have had him all night, so all day yesterday and then all night last night. So I just got the call that I can go pick him up and he's okay now. It's been stressful. What we have put it down to is on Thursday at my grandparents', he was eating wood chips there from their garden, and at first we thought maybe there was one like stuck in his stomach, but it wasn't. What it is apparently wood chips, they add some oils in it to stop the crows like stealing the wood chips, and to stop like weeds and stuff growing through them, which is highly toxic to dogs. So he had a bad case of toxicity from it, and if I didn't take him to the vets, it could turn fatal. So I'm so glad that I took him to the vets. So they said it would take about 12 hours to pass through his system on all the meds and IV fluids and stuff that they had him on.
I mean, who wants to look, simple when you can look stunning?
You always have that strong eye makeup. Is that you, or do you have a makeup artist who does that for you?
I actually did it myself. Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you.